Bay leaves are a popular addition to many different cuisines, such as soups, sauces, and chilies. But bay leaves are also a great source of health-promoting abilities and boost our immune system. One easy way to obtain the health benefits of bay leaves is bay leaf tea. You can simply make your own tea at home. All you'll need is 4 dry bay leaves, 1 liter of water, and 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Add the bay leaves and cinnamon to the water and simmer the mixture for 15 to 20 minutes. Strain into a cup, let cool to your desired temperature, and enjoy. Now, let's discuss the health benefits of consuming bay leaf tea. First, bay leaf tea is a great source of vitamins, minerals, and other important nutrients. This tea is a great source of iron, vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin B6, magnesium, and calcium, to name a few. Bay leaf tea also has tremendous antibacterial properties and anti-inflammatory compounds. Bay leaf tea can also help to promote healthy and proper digestion. It is also especially helpful in relieving unwanted digestive ailments, such as indigestion, constipation, bloating, and abdominal pain. As well, bay leaf tea can help to improve regularity and provide mild natural laxative effects. Regular consumption of bay leaf tea can also help to improve heart health and reduce risk factors associated with heart disease. This is because bay leaf tea is rich in heart health promoting compounds, such as rutin and caffeic acid, and other organic compounds. It can also help to improve the health of our blood vessels and reduce bad LDL cholesterol. Lastly, in addition to boosting our immune system, consuming bay leaf tea can help to reduce inflammation throughout the body. In fact, one of bay leaf tea's most important and beneficial effects is its ability to reduce inflammation, including chronic inflammation. This is attributed to bay leaf tea containing unique phytonutrients that reduce inflammation and free radicals in the body. Thank you for watching the video.